Hello students, today we are going to discuss on the topic and the first division of plant kingdom, that is algae. Students, algae are the green color thallus like plant. Their body will be not differentiated into the root, stems and leaves. That's why they are somewhat looks like thallus in structure. The plant organisms are mainly found in the aquatic regions. It means in the pond, ditches, river water as well as in marine water. Most of the species are found in marine water. The organism body is ranging from microscopic, it means unicellular, to the macroscopic, it means multicellular. They also forms colony of the members. It means they have ability to spend the colonial habitat. Students, algae are chlorophyll containing. The plants are simple plants, that's why they have ability to synthesize their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Yes students, they have ability to synthesize their own food by the process of photosynthesis because they contains the various types of chlorophyll as well as the different types of carotenoids and xanthophylls are also present in such plants. That's why their color get varies from green to olive green, brown or red. We know more about algae. First of all, we are going to know about the what kind of algae are found. Students, the algae are on the basis of presence of carotenoids. They are primarily classified into three categories. Yes students, there are three classes of this first division of plant kingdom. What is these? The first one is chlorophyceae. Chlorophyceae, as the term confirm that the term chlor means green and phyceae means the algae. Students, the study about algae is known as algology, and the MIOP Iyengar was the father of Indian algology due to the contribution in the perception of the different types of algae and the different types of activities that are found in them. Now, the second type of or second class of algae are the Phaeophyceae. Students, the term pheo means brown and phyceae means alga. The members of this class is commonly known as brown alga. Now we are going to discuss about the third class or the next class of division algae, that is the Rhodophyceae. Students, the term rhodo means red. Rhodo means red and phyceae means alga. Thus, this is the group of red alga. Yes, students. How the determination of the color in these type of alga is found. Yes, students, the definite color of such classes of the alga is due to the presence of chlorophyll as well as the presence of carotenoids and xanthophyll. Now look at the first class of the division alga. Chlorophyceae. Chlorophyceae are commonly called green alga. Yes, students, a green algae. It contains the chlorophyll small a and b both. It contains the chlorophyll small a and b both. Such type of algae are mainly found in fresh water as well as marine water. About 90% of the members of this class are found in freshwater bodies like the ponds, rivers, ditches, stagnant water, and rest of the 10% of the members are found in the marine water. Students, after the process of photosynthesis, the food is formed that is mainly stored in the form of starch. The cell wall of the such kind of plants consist of celluloid matter or cell wall. The members represents all the three kinds of mode of reproduction. It means the vegetative reproduction by fragmentation, the asexual mode of reproduction by zoospores or spores, and the kind of sexual reproduction by the gamete cells, and such type of sexual reproduction is known as oogamous. Yes, students, oogamous. There are mainly three types of sexual reproduction found in alga. The first one is isogamous. In isogamous, the gamete cells are alike in structure. It means either both are flagellated or both are non-flagellated. And the second type of sexual reproduction in algae, that is anisogamous. In anisogamous, the one of the gamete cell is large in shape and flagellated or non-flagellated, and another is the non-flagellated and comparatively small in shape. Such type of gamete cells fuse to form the kind of individuals after the fertilization, that is called anisogamous. And students, in oogamous, the one cell is larger and non-motile, whereas the smaller is flagellated and motile. Such type of combination of the gamete cells is known as the oogamous type of sexual reproduction. Now here I am going to take some example of the chlorophyceae, it means green alga, wallbox, Ulothrix, Spirogygum, Chlamydomonas, etc. are the kinds of the chlorophyceae, the members of chlorophyceae, it means green alga. Students, if we are talking about the wallbox is somewhat spherical in structure and it bears The colonial type of survival, because it contains the parental colony as well as the individual colony that is also called the daughter colony. This is the parental colony or parent colony, and each of the colony is merged by a fibrous structure that is called algin fibrous structure. This is somewhat the net-like structure, and each and every the parental colony is well related with one another as shown in the diagram. This is the ciliated vestibular structure. This is the daughter colony, and these are the parent colony. It is the structure of wall blocks. Now, second, the structure of eulothrix. It is filamentous type of green alga that are mainly attached with a substratum or rigid body with the help of the basal cell that forms the hold fast. This is the basal cell, and it forms the hold fast. This is the topmost cell that is called apical cell. Yes, students, apical cell. And the special types of chloroplast or plastids are found in such type of the filamentous alga. There is polymorphic type of chloroplast are found in the alga. Such type of chloroplast are girdle in shape, and they containing a very small structures that are called pyridinites. The pyridinites are well known for the storage of protein in spite of starch, whereas the chloroplasts are well known for the storage of starch in them. On maturity, these cells bears the vegetative spores. Each and every spores on maturity give rise by fragmenting give rise to an individual cell. This is the apical cell, this is the nucleus, and these are the chloroplast of girdle shape or sickle shape, or you can say that horseshoe shaped chloroplast. The chloroplasts are somewhat like this, and they contain the small structures. These structures are called pyrenoids. Pyrenoids are well known for the storage of proteins, and the whole horseshoe shaped structure is called chloroplast of Eurythrax. If we are going to take more example of the Spirogyra, then here I take a single cell of Spirogyra and its double filamentous shape structure you can obtain in the PDF. Its chloroplast is zigzag shape. Yes students, its chloroplast is zigzag shape. This is the peculiar characteristics of such type of filamentous alga. This is the nucleus, and the nucleus bears the filamentous strands. Yes, membranous strands are filamentous strands, and its zigzag chloroplast also contains pyrenites. This is a cell wall, pyrenites. This is chloroplast of girdle shape. This is a single cell of Spirogyra. More about the Phaeophyceae and Rhodophyceae type of algae in next video lecture. Thanks students for joining today's lecture.